No need for a knife with this cake. It fits right in your hand. It's a dessert that makes a big statement in a cute little package. Baker Terra Boss is introducing us to the mini loaf. It's so great to have you.
So nice to be here.
These are amazing. I mean, I call you a baker, and you are, but you're also an artist and a talent and a creative extraordinaire. Right. These are incredible.
It's edible art, right?
Will you talk us through some of these that you've made?
You bet. So I love mini everything, and I love portion control, right? So I can't eat well, I guess I can have more than one, but it's good portion control. So I have just a few different ideas when it comes to maybe kids' parties or like a brunch, a wedding. These are great to have like a bar style, so you can just have toppings and they can create their own. So
look at this.
Right, so here's cute, maybe a baby shower, right?
Oh,
or a rubber
goodness.
ducky theme of some sort.
Yes.
Jello in the middle. Super easy.
Oh, that's the blue water. It's
right,
the Jello. Okay.
Right, and then chocolate for the ducks. Okay, we have a garden, so maybe Mother's Day's coming up and your mom is a gardener. We could put a little sign in there that says Happy Mother's Day.
Did you pipe all of those?
So all of this is the vanilla wafer cookies, and then fondant. Or modeling chocolate. So I use a little bit of both. This is a rose mold. A silicone mold.
Oh, I see.
So that works for your lettuce varieties.
Listen,
right?
I don't golf, but I would if this was the prize.
Right. Father's Day is coming up. Actually, I would like that for Mother's Day because I love to golf. So super easy. And then we have summer is just around the corner. We can feel it coming. I have a little sparkle in the sand because, when you're at the beach, you see that.
These are amazing.
So fun for kids to put together, right? You can have just all the little accessories and then the towel, it's made out of Starburst. You know.
Oh my gosh.
So roll out your Starburst.
I could stare at these all day.
So
You're amazing.
fun, right?
And then here's sort of an elevated.
Right. So now we're talking like showers or a brunch. S'mores, classic s'mores. I kind of overdid it a little bit on, if you like the crispy side, which is good. This is a no-bake version, so it's a cheesecake. So I just did the cheesecake filling. So if you're not really, you don't have time or you're not very confident with baking cheesecake, go by the already made filling. And then fruit, top it off with some melted apricot glaze, that helps it sparkle. Another no-bake with little chunks of lemon bar on there.
It hits the mark, and I love that you introduce it as shower fare or shower food, because sometimes a cupcake isn't quite enough.
No.
So this is like your own personal little cake.
Right, and if you want to do a cupcake, simple, just get a stencil and right here.
Oh, with the round version, and you powder sugared on top.
And then you just powder sugar on top.
Okay.
Cute little farm animals.
I'm astounded. This is amazing. So you're gonna show us two different options. One if you just have not a lot of time.
Right. And again, not everybody is comfortable in the kitchen. So go ahead, this is a pound cake. So we're gonna make a strawberry shortcake pound cake.
Okay.
So this is the round versions. I just found a cookie cutter. I just match it up to the size.
And you're gonna stack and layer?
Yep, and I just cut it out. What's nice is you have layers to munch on later.
Where are you getting these cute little tins?
So Amazon.
Okay.
But they are starting to show up lots of different places. So you're finding them now in your Hobby Lobby and stuff like that.
This is fantastic.
Top that, and then we would use the real stuff. But for today, we're gonna do that. And then I have a cute little sliced strawberry and put that on.
Look how quick that came together, amazing.
Right?
Okay, if you have a little more time, maybe a little more confidence.
Yes,
you're gonna show us how to make your Biscoff.
Big argument out there.
What?
To grease or not to grease.
Yes.
Okay, so I prefer not greasing.
Oh.
The reason why is you want so think of a wall and you need to climb up it. You don't want it to be slick, otherwise it's not gonna rise, okay?
Okay.
So if you don't grease it, your chances of your cake holding and rising are better. Okay, so especially carrot cake, those heavier things.
Okay.
So I say don't grease. I mean, unless you're plopping it out like a loaf of bread or something.
But we're staying in the pan, don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. Okay, so we're gonna do kind of this modern kind of twist here. Okay, the key is not to put too much batter in your pan because you want it to be a level surface. So you can get the chocolate with yours.
Yes.
And you're just going to take your
That was a polite invitation to stop gawking and start working.
Okay, and we're just going to smooth it over the top.
Okay.
just to create a surface.
And you've just made a cake
Yep.
batter normally and then divided it into different.
Right.
Okay. Okay.
Right. And I'll have all of those details on the link for
Okay,
everybody as far as how it's about 1/3 of a cup of batter that you want.
Okay.
Okay. Then you're going to, actually, I missed the best part. Okay. We're going to get this little straw. We're going to poke some holes in there.
Okay.
Okay.
About a minute
as
left.
many as you want,
Okay.
and then we're going to fill it with some Biscoff.
Oh, yeah.
I did the Biscoff spread, melted it down, added some cream.
Oh my gosh, this has surprises inside.
And then your piping bag, you're just going to do some stripes, and I put the skinny.
Oh, I did it backwards.
The
That's okay.
skinny
Yep.
on the top. Okay.
Look at you.
And then you can change directions. You can go diagonal and so forth. And then you can put some Biscoff crumbles on there. You can add some gold leaf
Look at
to
that.
your cookie,
Ah.
some sparkles.
Amazing.
Okay.
You're amazing. There are not enough adjectives in the English language to describe what you do.
Super easy. Anybody
Terra,
can do this.
Thank you. Where can we
Anybody
find
can
more
do
from
this.
you?
So I'm on Instagram and Facebook at Boss Lady Dessert Studio.
And do you sell?
Yes.
You sell
I
them.
teach. Classes are my favorite thing. So if you want to learn how to do this, I will come to you and, girls' night out.
Oh, how fun.
Right? Or
Mother's
you come
Day
to
party?
my house. Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank
So,
you. We'll
you're
link
so
you from our
welcome.
website, studio5.ksl.com.